Welcome to YieldZilla's Market Watch. My name is Will. We're in the business of yielding, compounding, and on the constant search of new opportunities. High stakes DeFi over here. Let's engage. First and foremost, we want to thank you for stopping by as we aggregate market data across the Cryptosphere so you get all the relevant and pertinent information. That being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. The markets are looking good. We're going up and to the right. That's what we want to see. That being said, let's just step into some of this analysis. We're using Chart Champions analysis, and they're displaying a structure being, this is a bullish structure occurring with the price action of Bitcoin. That being said, we're still in between a range. And in this range, we have the resistance and the support. And currently we're sitting against that resistance at that 44,200 level. Next, we're going to move into CryptoFace, popular YouTuber. He's using millions of dollars on Femex and leverage trading against the price of Bitcoin. This is some of the analysis we took away from him and his market cipher indicator. He's of the belief that we still have an up leg happening here, and here at YieldZilla, we believe that's partially correct, and the subsequent fall into this bear market that we're all dreading. That bear market, in his mind, could look something like this. Now, it looks rough, but if we do somehow make it down to this $10,000, $5,000 range, he's referred to it as the WorldCom event. But what we are seeing are slight different changes occurring from when we first came down in May, April of last year. So we're getting a little more price action showing that things are more bullish. Next, we're going to step into blockchain backer. If you're not subscribed, we're going to leave all the links below. You need to go and give the blockchain backer a subscribe. He is known for his Fibonacci and his 702 levels. So in his mind and his analysis, should we make it back up to about the $58,000 level, that's when we're going to get some confluence with CryptoFace, and that could lead to the end of the Bitcoin bull run. He normally doesn't like using moving averages, but as you can see, we're coming close to a resistance on the 50 moving average. So this could be a good thing. This could be a bad thing. We could break right through it and just keep marching up, or we could hit it and reverse back down. Some of the information that he's displaying is based off Glassnodes. We're seeing the inflows of people depositing and removing their capital from exchanges. So this is important to know that currently people are actually removing capital from their exchanges. So that's a bullish indicator. That's definitely a bullish indicator. Overall, he still believes, we're in this channel and we have plenty of upside here. So, and we believe that to be true as well. Next, we're going to move into some crypto news. All right, Exxon is mining Bitcoin with the excess gas. So gas prices at the pump are high, but hey, at least Exxon's making money off Bitcoin. Next up, Russia is actually open to selling natural gas for Bitcoin and gold. This could be a huge disruption in the financial sector, and it's something we should be all keeping an eye on, but very bullish for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin's bullish, altcoins are right behind it. Next up, we're coming over to CoinDesk. We're looking at Bitcoin's correlation with the S&P. We'll soon show some relevance with that, but as you can see, Bitcoin's hitting new highs alongside the S&P 500. Let's go take a look at some altcoins. favorite data aggregator for altcoins is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama has all the information you need in one spot to see all across the chains. Speaking of chains, let's go ahead and step into the chains. Currently, you see Ethereum has the lion's share of the altcoins at 52%, followed by Terra, Luna Network, and next up by Binance Smart Chain. All great networks, but I'd like to see a little bit of this Ethereum kind of spill over into either Terra or Binance Smart Chain, or our favorite. Actually, Avalanche is looking like a really great network to be involved in. Let's go step in a little deeper into some altcoins and see what's moving in the markets today. So currently, we're looking at Chaos Finance moving up 3,000% in the last 24 hours, $2 million in liquidity. Diamonds, not quite sure what Diamonds is, but it's having one hell of a run at 3,200% increase over the last 24 hours as well. Next, we're going to move into the Bitcoin Rich List. This is an important website. We can track whales. So we want to be seeing what the rich whales and yachts are doing. We want to be following them. So we like to look at Bitcoin address number 3. I like to call this rich address number 3. And as you can see, today, they actually sold 1,500 Bitcoin for $66 million. So that being said, they're preparing for that resistance that we're looking at and looking to possibly get back in at support. So that being said, let's just lastly look at some of the charts. These are our Zilla charts. We're looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 day. What we have here are fib levels, and we want to be looking at, as you can see, we are back up at that resistance, and that coincides with the Fibonacci levels at 45,000 and 46,000. If we do happen to make it above 46,691, we have room up to 50,000. So, but right now we're just sitting right at that resistance. So keep that in mind as you go about your day. That being said, we're working on bringing price action levels and bringing all this information right to you, quick and concise. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you hear, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and that being said, disengage.